How's it going, everyone? Today we're checking out some Dayton Audio B65s. These were priced right around the $80 range, and they are a basic two-way set of bookshelves that sound amazing for the price. Nothing fancy, just a simple design that come in black or wood grain. So follow me as we give these a quick listen. These speakers feature a 6.5-inch poly woofer, a 1-inch silk dome tweeter. They have a frequency response of 55 to 20,000 Hertz, an impedance of 6 ohms, a sensitivity of around 85 dB. They are power handling at 40 watts RMS or 75 watts max, and they're about 13 inches tall, 7.8 inches wide, and 6.7 inches deep. Now for the audio quality. The low end is okay, but not very deep. You get some punch, but I would definitely recommend the sub for the deep notes. The mids are definitely the best part of these speakers for sure. Vocals sound clear and are natural, and the instruments come through clean. This makes them good for everyday things like listening to music, podcasts, or anything vocal heavy. The highs are smooth and not too bright, so they're easy to listen to for long periods of time without getting fatigued or sounding harsh. The soundstage is decent. You get a bit of separation if you place them well, but it's not super wide or detailed. Overall, these are best for budget setups in a small room, on desks, or even for simple TV upgrades. They're not trying to be high-end, but they are clean looking and easy to listen to. A couple of things I like and don't like about these. The build quality is okay. It's not great, but I can't complain as these are sub $100. I would say the build quality is definitely their biggest downside, and the upside is that these sound awesome. So overall, the Dayton B65s are a solid, simple budget set of speakers that definitely punch above their weight class. Well, let me know what you thought about this video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you didn't like it, let me know why down in the comments. I'm always looking for ways to improve these videos. Subscribe if you want to. I'd appreciate it very much, and I'll see you all in the next one.